Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start earning money from Payhip, a platform that makes it easy to sell digital products. Stay tuned as we go step by step through how you can get your Payhip store all set up to start making you some money today. First, let's talk about what Payhip is. It is an online platform where you can upload your digital products to sell directly to your customers. One great thing about Payhip is that there are no listing fees compared to other marketplaces or online platforms. You can upload as many products as you want without worrying about the cost. You can sell a wide range of digital products on Payhip, such as ebooks, online courses, memberships, and even software. If you have valuable knowledge or skills that others would pay to learn, Payhip might be the right place for you. So now let's move into setting up your Payhip store. The first thing you're going to want to do is create an account. I have provided a link in the description where you can start Payhip for free. Once the website opens, enter your email address and click the button that says Get Started for Free. Now, enter your first name, last name, and a strong password. Once you're logged in, it will take you to the main screen. Here, you will need to enter your store name and choose a unique username. Once that's complete, you'll be taken to your dashboard. The first thing you want to do here is set up your store details. Click on Account and fill out your personal and payment information. This is extremely important because this is how you'll get paid when you make sales. Now let's add your first product. You can choose between a digital product and a physical product, but today we are going to focus on digital products. For this tutorial, I'm going to add a digital product. Click Upload Product File, choose your product file, and then enter a title for your product. Next, enter the price for your product. Don't forget to add a product image. A great-looking visual can make a big difference in attracting customers. Make sure to write a good description that highlights the benefits your product offers. You can even use tools like ChatGPT to help generate the description. Ensure the product is visible to everyone. After that, click on Advanced Options and then select the relevant checkpoints. Finally, click Add Product and you have successfully added your first product. Once your product is uploaded, you can start customizing your store. Click on Customize Design. Payhip allows you to create a simple yet effective storefront. You can add your logo, choose your brand colors, and much more. Feel free to explore this section to make your store look great. You can even attach a custom domain if you have one, which can help build a professional look and trust with your customers. If you need a domain, you can purchase one from providers like Hostinger. Now that your store setup is complete and your product is available for the world to see, how do you actually get people to buy it? This is where marketing comes in. Here are a few ways to promote your store on Payhip. Share your store and products on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Post them in social media groups relevant to your product or service. Create a newsletter to inform your email list subscribers that you have launched a new product. You could even offer them some incentives for purchasing, like a discount or special promotion, and that's it. Now you know how to start earning money from Payhip. Whether you're selling ebooks, courses, or any other digital product, Payhip makes it easy to set up shop and start making sales. If you want to try Payhip, I have included a link in description to try Payhip for free, no credit card required.